Hi friends, this is ARK. You are watching ARK Idea Innovation YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you Army Public School Recruitment 2020. Okay friends, the Army Public Schools have invited online application from eligible and interested candidates for the recruitment of PGT, TGT and PRT. The candidates can apply for the post through the official website of Army Public Schools https:/aps-csb.in. Candidates can apply for the recruitment on or before 20th October 2020. Okay friends, let us discuss in detail of the recruitment, eligibility, age limit, selection procedure, etc. Before that, I have a small request to you. If this is your first time visit to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time. We upload brand useful videos. If you are an existing subscriber, thanks for subscribing us. We really do appreciate you. Now let us check the details of the recruitment. Approximately 8,000 posts vacant in Army Public Schools all over India. Okay friends, let us see the detailed information. Candidates are requested to go through these instructions carefully. General instructions for candidates online screening test 2020 friends. There are 137 Army Public Schools located in various cantonments and military stations across the country. These schools administered and managed by local army authorities and affiliated to CBSE board through Army Welfare Education Society. A list of these schools is placed at Annexure 1. You can verify the list of schools. Okay friends, there are approximately 8,000 teacher posts. The exact number of vacancies available in the respective schools will be announced by the school or management while advertising for holding interviews or evaluation of teaching skills. In the last 2 years, the number of total vacancies in different categories were 2,315 and 2,169 respectively. Okay friends. Next, the selection procedure. The selection of teachers will be done in 3 stages. Stage 1, screening of examination. The screening of examination will be held on 21st and 22nd November 2020. Okay friends. Next is stage 2. Stage 2, interview. Stage 3, evaluation of teaching skills and computer proficiency. Okay friends, next you see online screening test. To qualify for interview and evaluation of teaching skills, the candidate should have passed the online screening test. This has been scheduled on 21st and 22nd of November 2020 at various centers across the country. The general guidelines for candidates are given in the sectioning paragraphs. Okay friends. Next let us see categories of teachers. Categories of teachers. Okay friends, the exam will be held for the posts of PGT, TGT and PRTs for subjects as per the list placed at Annexure 2. Okay friends, please ensure that you meet the educational and age criteria before you start registering yourself. If you do not, you are liable to be disqualified without refund the exam fees any time during the selection process and even thereafter whenever a discrepancy is noticed. Next, let us see qualifications. The requisite qualifications are educational and professional qualifications. For the post of PGT, postgraduate teacher, the qualification is post-graduation in the subject concerned with 50% marks and B.Ed professional qualification with 50% marks. Okay friends, next. For the post of TGT, trained graduate teacher, the candidate must have passed graduation in the subject concerned with 50% marks and B.Ed professional degree with 50% marks. And for the post of PRT, primary teacher, graduation, the candidate must have passed graduation in the subject concerned with 50% marks and B.Ed professional qualification or diploma in elementary education. Okay friends, with 50% marks. Clear? Very clear friends? Next you see friends here age as on 1st April 2021 for fresh candidates below 40 years. Okay friends, for experienced candidates it is an opportunity below 57 years. Okay friends, next. CTET or TET is not mandatory for appearing in the online screening test. However, CTET or TET conducted by center or state government is mandatory for appointment as TGT or PRTs. Those not qualified in CTET or TET but found fit in all other respects may be considered for appointment on vacancies which may be ad hoc in nature till attainment of the qualification. Okay friends, very clear? Next, it is important thing. It is the screening test for 2020 will be conducted as under date 21st and 22nd November 2020 as per schedule to be decided depending on the number of candidates who register for the exam. Okay friends, you see here the method. The test will be conducted online in multiple choice question format. For details, see table below. Here is the table. Okay friends, for PGT, TGT, paper, two papers are there, part A and part B. Part A, general awareness, mental ability, English comprehension, educational concepts, methodology, inclusive education, IT. And part B, specific to the subject, it is part A 90 marks, part B also maximum 90 marks. Duration of exam is 180 minutes. Okay friends, you check the details. Next, for the post of PRT, primary teacher, only part A, general awareness, mental ability, English comprehension, educational concepts and methodology, inclusive education, IT. Okay friends, next, total marks 90, duration of exam is 90 minutes. Okay friends. Next is exam fee. Exam fee 500 rupees non-refundable. Next is registration. Application procedure. Candidates must register online for the screening examination by logging on to www.aps-csb.in. Okay friends. Next, you need to pay the exam fees online. After payment of fee, candidates should attach the photograph, signature, proof of date of birth and certificates of academic and professional qualifications. After completion of the registration, candidate will get a confirmation mail and SMS regarding the same. Okay friends, the exam centers. A list of exam centers will be available on the registration portal. A tentative list is also placed in at Annexure 4. The candidates are required to fill in 3 choices in order of preference. Okay friends. Admit cards. Candidates are advised to read the instructions appended to the admit cards carefully. Admit card will be available online only. Exam results will be put up on the same portal. No review of results shall be allowed. The results shall be available on the website for 30 days after declaration of results. Once the results are removed from the portal, individual scorecards results can be obtained. Special request and payment of specific administrative charge. Okay friends. The scorecard successful candidates will be available on the registration portal after the exam, which the candidate may download and laminate. The card will be valid for life provided the candidate takes up teaching position in any CBS recognized school for a period of at least 1 year within 3 years of issue of scorecard. Okay friends, here is the important timelines. Registration is already started from 1st October. It ends on 20th October 2020. Availability of admission cards online from 4th November 2020. Tentative will be informed after uploading. Next exam 21st and 22nd November 2020. Publication of result is 2nd December 2020. These are tentative dates friends. Okay friends, sample questions are also available. Part A 50 rupees, Part B 50 rupees, specific subjects. You have to go through the official website. The official website is already provided in my description box. You can verify friends. Okay friends. You see HQ headquarters AWES conducts the screening examination on behalf of boards of administration at regional command headquarters. Selection and appointment will be done by the board of administration, school administration and management committee. Grievances and selection procedure, if any, should be addressed to the chairman, board of administration, headquarters concerned command. Okay friends, here it is the annexure 1 list of army public schools. You can check it. Next you see sir, here it is annexure 2 list of subjects for PGT, TGT. It is given separately. Annexure 3 minimum qualification for teachers in army public schools. For PGT it is given here. Next TGT, you just go through this, you check it clearly. Next annexure 4 list of towns or cities where the exam centers. Here is the list given, you can check friends. The list of exam centers is subject to review based on the number of candidates who registered for the exam. Okay friends, this is a golden opportunity to all who completed B.Ed and waiting for teacher job. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share with your friends who require it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel ARK Idea Innovation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon also so that you will get notifications, upcoming information first. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.
Alright. Okay.